Hi everyone, I'm really excited because I'm taking a trip to Ohio and I'll be visiting Niagara Falls for the first time. I'm all packed up and ready to go and I'm going to take you guys along. Oh, there's a boat. There's our boat. That's the American side. I don't even see that boat anymore. It's so foggy down there. Just want to know how far in they go. That's going to be us pretty soon, right there. Down to the boat, down there. Beautiful waterfalls. About to go on the ship that takes us right by the waterfalls. We're going down, down, down. Boarding this way. To get on the big ship that goes right by Niagara Falls. I'm so excited! This is how it looks at night. That's so pretty. I guess we could have took those things down. Okay, we're in line. We're getting down there. They're giving us our ponchos, waterproof. We're about to get wet. I feel it. Come on, we gotta catch up with them, man.
For your comfort and safety on hot days, please do not put your poncho on until boarding the vessel. Thank you.
We are walking down. We're almost there. I'm so excited to go by the waterfall. We are being herded to the ship. All of us. Here we go. We're trying to get a top seat. I'm not sure if we're going to make it, but I hope that we get one in the top front. We are going up, up, up. Ready to go. A lot of people on this boat.
On a rainy day,
Real quick. Wow, they were doing the mining there. Oh, this is another spot.
There you go, telling.
So a boat can go through? Oh, yeah. Pumatuning State Park Spillway.
All the ducks in the whole state are here.
Here we are. It's pretty cloudy. They say it's from the smoke from Canada. Look at all these geese. Oh, I see the fish down there. Look. They want food. Ready to feed the fish. Look at them fighting over it.
What kind of fish is that?
Looks like catfish, no? These are carp.
They know you're moving.
They're following us down this way. It's crazy. Come on. Come on, the ducks too. We got the herd of fish following us.
And the herd of ducks.
Wow, and all the ducks coming into one spot. Oh, here comes another. Here comes another one.
There you go.
Oh, that was perfect.
Here we go. There you go.
Here they come, here they come. Here they come. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, we got it. Here he comes. He got it.
Oh, this is a good one. These white birds are pretty cool, man. This is a good one. Here you go. Come on.
Oh, he got it. Hot dogs in there were pretty good. Amish country. got his head out. That frog.
Oh, that's crazy. I didn't even realize it was a frog.
Yeah, that's a hand. Cool. Maybe those are from the waves.
I don't know.
Looks just like the ocean, huh? Let's test the water. Not too bad, it's pretty warm out there. Looks kind of dirty though. This is Lake Erie. Humongous. It looks just like an ocean.